Planning to take the Tableau Desktop Foundations exam? Here's your guide to the key changes and content domains. First, the big news. The exam you knew as Tableau Desktop Specialist was officially renamed Salesforce Certified Tableau Desktop Foundations in July 2025. This wasn't just a name change. The exam fee dropped from $100 to just $75, and even better, you now get one free retake if you don't pass on your first attempt. Registration also moved from the old Tableau site to Salesforce's unified Trailhead Academy, which uses a new Pearson testing platform. It's the same core credential, just more accessible. Let's cover the exam logistics. You'll have 60 minutes to answer 45 questions, which are a mix of multiple choice and multiple response. An important thing to note is that there are no hands-on labs in this foundational exam. It's all knowledge-based. The passing score is 750 on a scaled system from 100 to 1000, which is roughly 70 to 75% correct answers. While there are no formal prerequisites, Salesforce does recommend having at least 3 months of hands-on experience before you sit the exam. The first exam domain, worth 25%, is connecting and preparing data. This tests your ability to bring data into Tableau correctly. You'll need to know the difference between a live connection and a fast, portable extract stored in a .hyper file. The exam heavily tests your understanding of data modeling concepts, especially the distinction between modern relationships, the default noodle, connections, and traditional physical joins or data blending for separate sources. Mastering Tableau's order of operations for filters is also absolutely critical for this section. Next is the largest and most challenging domain, exploring and analyzing data, which makes up 35% of your score. This is where most candidates get tripped up. You must have a solid grasp of level of detail, or LOD, expressions. Know the difference between fixed, include, and exclude, and how they interact with the filters in your view. The other major topic is table calculations like running sum or rank, and understanding how they're compute using. Direction changes the result. Mastering these two advanced concepts is key. The final two domains are sharing insights at 25% and understanding Tableau concepts at 15%. For sharing insights, focus on building effective dashboards. This includes using layout containers and understanding the different types of dashboard actions, like filter, highlight, and URL actions, which make your dashboards interactive. For Tableau concepts, you'll need to know the core product family, desktop, server, cloud, and the free Tableau Public. Be sure you can clearly explain the difference between dimensions and measures and discrete versus continuous fields. So how should you prepare? The best strategy starts with hands-on practice, and you don't need to buy expensive software. You can download Tableau Public for free. It provides nearly all the functionality of the paid Tableau desktop, saving only to the public cloud. This is the perfect tool for practicing everything from data connections to LOD expressions. Once you're comfortable, use the free 4 to 6 week study plan in our full article to structure your learning and test your knowledge with our free practice questions. Ready to get certified? This was just a high-level overview. The full article on openexamprep.com has the complete, detailed 4 to 6 week study plan, links to all the best free resources, and a huge bank of free practice questions that cover every domain we discussed. Click the link to read the full guide and start your journey to becoming a Salesforce certified Tableau Desktop Foundations professional today. You've got this!